Good afternoon and welcome to beautiful sunny Greensboro, North Carolina, home of Carolina Aircraft. I'm Brian Tuttle and I'm here today to show you one of the last P-bearings that was made November 5-8 Tango Romeo. This is a beautiful 1985 P-bearing. Step in, let's take a closer look. November 5-8 Tango Romeo is a low time bearing 58P. Now this is important because there is a 10,000 hour lifetime limit on the P-bearing. 5-8 Tango Romeo only has 3,395 hours total time. These engines, the IO520 TSIO turbo engines, these only have 1,300 hours since factory Reman. The 3-blade heated props only have 105 hours since overhaul. One of the wonderful features of a bearing 58 is the fact that you now have nose baggage. You can see here we can put up to 300 pounds of bags in the nose compartment here. This will hold even your golf bags if you take the long drivers out. You can see also we have this spring thing for the nose baggage door to keep this nice and sturdy during if it's windy outside. As pilots, we always dream of going higher and faster, and the bearing 58P will give you both of those things. This airplane is certified to 25,000 feet, and the book will tell you you'll get around 240 knots up there. Now this airplane has 190 gallons of usable fuel, so if you do the calculations, you can get at least 1,100 nautical miles downrange. This is a known ice airplane. You can see we have de-ice boots here on the wings. We have, as I mentioned before, hot props, and if you look on the windshield, we have the windshield de-icing segment as well. You'll also notice we have Vortex generators. This lowers your VMC speed, your single engine speed, and makes the airplane safer and helps it get off the ground a little bit quicker. The paint on November 5-8 Tango Romeo is in very good condition. It's overall Matterhorn white with blue and gold striping, again in very good condition. The interior on November 5-8 Tango Romeo is in beautiful condition. You can see nice tan leather seating. Side panels are in great condition. The trim, the table, all of this looks beautiful. We have G&D tinted window inserts. Those are very nice. Those help also with quietness and keeping the airplane cool in the summer and warm in the winter time. You can see we have a 6-place intercom system here. We also have WAAS and lights for each seat. We have 6-place oxygen in case that was needed, shoulder harnesses, plenty of room back here. I'm 6'2", about 210 pounds. You can see I've got plenty of room here. This is a very nice airplane and a great way to travel. The panel on November 5-8 Tango Romeo is a very good IFR platform. It has dual Garmin GNS 430 WAAS units. It has a Garmin GMX 200 multifunction display with traffic, XM, chart view, and radar display. It has a WX500 Stormscope, which is displayed on the GMX 200. You have your Garmin 345 transponder, which gives you your ADS-B in and out, as well as your ADS-B traffic and your free ADS-B FISB weather. Also included is the Bendix RDS 82 color radar system displayed on the GMX 200. And you have your GDL69A XM weather and music. For your autopilot, you have the King KFC 200 with a flight director and King HSI with a yaw damper and altitude Preselect. There are a lot of extras on November 5-8 Tango Romeo that you'll enjoy as well. Eagle fuel drains, certified known ice, Kansas engine preheaters, altitude Preselect, prop sync, custom cover with the N number, Vortex generators, G&D tinted window inserts, factory air conditioning, GPS steering, Rosen sun visors, Flight Stream 210, LED taxi light, 6-place intercom system, factory oxygen, nose bag spring thing, and a JPI 760 engine monitor. if you're in the market for a Baron 58P, make plans to come to Greensboro, North Carolina, home of Carolina Aircraft. Visit us to see this beautiful 1985 Baron 58P November 5/8 Tango Romeo. This is a gorgeous airplane, only $33.95 total time since new, only 1,300 hours since factory reman on the engines, 105 hours on the props. Visit us Greensboro, North Carolina. I'm Brian Tuttle. Have a great day.